Do you remember? Well, I remember the long day would ring the bell. We could hear it chime through air and death. I remember the way that we would ring in the sea. We would ring in the season. But the Annabelle was for the king. What about us? After the gates were closed, we were never together.